So I came to Diller Chiropractor at 36 weeks, and my baby was breech. After I think 3 weeks, baby flipped into the right position, which was absolutely outstanding because I didn't want to get a C-section. Then once she was born, she was perfect. She came out amazing. Birth was awesome. Felt great afterwards. And then around 3 weeks of age, we were having screaming fits for hours of screaming. Went to the pediatrician, said that she was having gas problems and acid reflux. So I came here and she got adjusted, and within the night she was perfect. She slept most of the day. She wasn't screaming. She slept great through the night. It was definitely a nice break for mom and dad because it was a lot of screaming.